Dashcams are getting smarter every year, but true low-light performance is still hard to get right. And for the last few months, we've been using the ARC 900, and we think this is a solid one in that term. It's designed by Thinkware, a company with nearly 30 years of experience in automotive electronics and one of the most trusted dashcam brands in Korea. That long track record shows how this camera handles safety, security, and reliability. The ARC 900 is built to deliver dependable nighttime footage when visibility is at its worst, focusing on clear detail instead of noisy, washed-out clips. So in this video, we'll explain how Thinkware ARC 900 STARVIS 2 sensor redefines night vision. Let's begin. Before we talk about the camera itself, it's important to understand why night performance matters so much. Nighttime is one of the most critical situations for any dashcam. During the day, most cameras perform well because there's enough light, but at night, headlights create glare, streets become unevenly lit, and shadows hide important details. Many incidents, hit and runs, and parking damage happen in low light. If your dashcam can't capture clear footage at night, it loses its real purpose. That's why strong night performance is essential, not optional. Now that we understand why night clarity is important, let's start with the installation and first setup. Installing the ARC 900 is simple and straightforward. The front camera mounts securely on the windshield, while the rear camera attaches firmly to the rear glass. The build feels solid and well engineered. The 3.5-inch IPS touchscreen makes setup easier, allowing you to adjust angles, change settings, and review footage instantly without needing your phone. This makes daily use more convenient and efficient. With installation complete, this is where the ARC 900 truly begins to separate itself: night performance. It uses advanced STARVIS 2 image sensors from Sony, specifically the IMX678 in the front and the IMX675 in the rear. These aren't standard dashcam sensors. They're engineered specifically for extreme low-light environments, where most cameras struggle to capture usable detail. To understand why this matters, it helps to look at how image sensors actually work. Every camera sensor is made up of millions of pixels, and each pixel collects light to form an image. At night, there's very little light available, so standard sensors can't gather enough information. This results in dark footage, heavy noise, motion blur, and unreadable license plates. STARVIS 2 solves this at the hardware level. These sensors use a back-illuminated pixel structure, which allows more light to reach each pixel instead of being blocked by wiring layers. This improves sensitivity dramatically. In simple terms, each pixel captures more usable light data, even in extremely dim conditions. Another major advantage is higher dynamic range performance. At night, dashcams must handle two extreme lighting conditions at once: very bright headlights and very dark surroundings. STARVIS 2 works together with HDR processing to balance both areas simultaneously. Instead of headlights appearing as blown-out white spots or shadows becoming completely black, the camera preserves detail in both highlights and darker areas. Moreover, the IMX678 front sensor plays a particularly important role here. Unlike those fake upscaled 4K resolutions you see on budget cams, ARC 900 is optimized for high-resolution native 4K capture while maintaining strong low-light sensitivity. This means you get sharp detail without sacrificing brightness. The IMX675 rear sensor complements this by delivering strong rear visibility, which is critical for capturing vehicles approaching from behind at night. Furthermore, noise control is another key improvement. In low light, standard sensors increase electronic gain to brighten the image, but this also increases grain and distortion. STARVIS 2 uses improved signal processing and light efficiency, which reduces the need for aggressive gain. The result is cleaner footage with less grain and better clarity. Besides, motion clarity also improves significantly. At night, motion blur becomes worse because cameras use slower shutter speeds to gather more light. STARVIS 2 reduces this limitation by improving sensitivity, allowing the camera to maintain clearer frames even when vehicles are moving. This makes license plates, lane markings, and vehicle details easier to identify. In real-world driving, the results are immediately noticeable. Dark roads appear brighter and more visible. Vehicles remain clearly defined, even in poorly lit areas. Headlights don't overpower the entire frame, and important details remain intact. Instead of blurry, noisy footage, you get clean, balanced, and reliable recordings. This level of performance makes a major difference where it matters most: night highways, underground parking, residential streets, and low visibility environments. In situations where standard dashcams fail to capture usable evidence, STARVIS 2 ensures the ARC 900 continues to deliver clear, dependable footage. Besides night performance, it offers some great features that are worth mentioning. So, the ARC 900's strengths are its advanced parking protection and also nighttime surveillance capability. ARC 900 literally wakes up from energy-saving mode when impact or motion is detected, recording 10 seconds before and 10 seconds after the event, for a total of 20 seconds, helping reduce concerns about potential battery drain while still capturing critical moments. This becomes extremely useful in places like malls, apartments, office parking lots, or unfamiliar streets. Instead of constantly recording and draining power, it uses smart monitoring to extend protection while maintaining efficiency. This ensures your car stays protected even when unattended overnight. The ARC 900 also focuses heavily on parking protection, especially during nighttime. It includes intelligent parking mode with motion detection, impact detection, and energy-saving recording. It monitors your vehicle and automatically records when movement or impact is detected. Another important factor, especially for long-term use, is durability. The ARC 900 has passed more than 140 rigorous in-house quality tests, making it the most reliable choice in terms of durability and dependable performance among other dashcam brands. Instead of using a traditional battery, it uses a supercapacitor, allowing it to operate safely in extreme temperatures. In hot weather or under direct sunlight, many dashcams shut down or fail. But supercapacitors handle heat much better, allowing the ARC 900 to continue recording reliably. This improves safety, performance, and long-term durability, especially in harsh climates. Beyond performance and durability, everyday usability also plays a major role. The ARC 900 delivers excellent usability, as the footage can be viewed and downloaded wirelessly through the Dashcam Link app using 5 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and that data can also be transferred via a Type-C cable. You don't need to rely entirely on your phone. Everything feels faster, simpler, and more accessible, making it practical for everyday use. So when you combine everything, the STARVIS 2 night performance, intelligent parking protection, temperature durability, and user-friendly design, the ARC 900 stands out as a complete solution. So, with its reliable performance at night, and also great in daytime too, something to mention is that for its affordable pricing with these features and advantages, it's a worth-checking dashcam for anyone like us. If you're interested in the product, check the link below for more details and the latest price. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Let us know your thoughts in the comments and hit like, subscribe for more content like this.